Sagittarius. Welcome back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by. Yes, for your monthly general love message for August 2020. Angels and guides, we are looking for positive energy. We're getting right into your message. Angels and guides, positive energy for Sag. Yes, for Sagittarius for the month of August. Now this is for singles, and I feel like that goes there. Singles and yes, you Sagittarius that are in a beautiful relationship. One more, please. One more. Angels and guides, positive energy, please. Positive energy. There we go. Moving on to the new deck. Yes. Angels, love. We're looking for romance. Romance is in the air for Sagittarius. Romance is in the air. Angels and guides, positive energy. And of course, we want these only upright so that we can get all the positive energy, yes, out of the cards. Angels, moving on to the Angels of Light deck. Oh, if it's not on the table, it doesn't belong on the table. Angels and guides, positive energy, please. For Sagittarius, beautiful, romantic world. And this is, once again, for singles, and those of you who are in a beautiful bond, romantic bond. Angels and guides, positive energy, please. Positive energy. And of course, yes, we are topping it off with the hummingbird. Ooh, that was nice. You're like, what was nice? There we go. And positive energy. Come on. There we All right, let's do it this way. Okay, we're almost done, Sag. Positive energy for Sag. Love, romance, positive energy for Sagittarius. Come on, angels, positive energy for Sagittarius. What is going on for Sagittarius? Angels, thank you. Let's get right into this message. All right, so for you that are in a beautiful romantic bond, we have emotional freedom with the Knight of Wands reversed with the Sun card and the Angel of Action, the Queen of Hearts, and the Five of Diamonds. I definitely feel like this month, emotionally, you're feeling a bit distance in your love relationship, but have no fear. Your passion, your energy will definitely, or their energy will definitely return. How do I know? There's the Sun card. Everything is going to turn out beautifully. Things are changing. Things are picking up speed in your love life. With the Queen of Hearts, I feel there's a bit of romance going on. I'm just going to let it I'm just going to say steamy romance. With the Five of Diamonds, things are now changing. Now, for those of you who are single, emotional freedom, you're not even thinking about love. No, you're not, but it's coming anyway. Yes, and you will definitely, with the Sun card, you're feeling, wow, okay, this is nice. I feel like you might actually spend some time, quality time with this person, but don't get too cozy because it's social distancing time. Yes. With the Five of Diamonds, I feel like things are definitely changing in your love energy that's around you, Sag. Now, when we look in the recent past, we have the manifestation. Yes. The Seven of Cups reversed, the World card, the Angel of Acceptance, the Ace of Spades, and the Queen of Diamonds. So I feel like in the recent past, Sag, I feel like you had been working on love, working on developing, or if you are in a relationship in the recent past, I feel like you put in a lot of work in regards to your romance. You wanted, with the Seven of Cups, you wanted things to, like, there was so much going on in your relationship. You were trying to, like, bring it, like, okay, can we get it back to us? Can we definitely get it back to us? And I feel like you did achieve that with the World card and the Angel of Acceptance. You were pretty darn happy and you accepted all that love that you received. With the Ace of Spades. This took a lot. You had to go deep to make this change. And it agitated you a bit, but you did it, okay? Now, when we look at the singles, in the recent past, you were manifesting a new love. You were being picky. You're like, I don't want that, I don't want that, and I don't want that. And but you got to tell the universe what you do want, not what you don't want, okay? With the World card, I definitely feel that you achieved the love that you wanted with the acceptance card. With the Ace of Spades, I feel like there was something maybe about this person in the recent past that there was a secret maybe that you didn't know about, and boy, did that agitate you. Okay, that was in the recent past. Now, when we look in the middle of the month, Sag, we have dun, 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 yes, we have love. Yes, it's just love. The Tower card reversed with the Moon card and the Angel of Spiritual Warriors with the Jack of Spades and the Three of Diamonds. So Sag, I'm feeling in the middle of the month. Yeah, it's love, but I feel like something with the Tower card is being brought up out of the blue. Like you didn't see this coming. Like it's not something that's tearing the relationship up. It's building the relationship up. And you didn't even know that this was even possible, right? With the Moon card, you weren't even so certain how this happened with the Spiritual Warrior, but you're willing to put in the work to make this better. With the Jack of Spades, I feel like you're doing this, you're doing something different. You're doing like this love that's, I feel like the universe is giving you like love, more love, if that makes sense. With the Jack of Spades is how you handle this more love that you are receiving. Maybe this person is spending more time with you. Maybe this person has to move in with you. Maybe you're moving and you're traveling together, but definitely you are actually spending more time together. With the Jack of Spades, be mindful that you want this to, work out for the best, even though you're spending this much time together. I feel like there is a bit of worry about the amount of time that you're spending together, but hey, it's love, and you do love them, okay? Now, for you singles, I feel like in the middle of the month, you have love. With the Tower card reversed, I feel like you're meeting someone out of the blue. I definitely see you meeting someone, but you're not so sure about this person. But you will dip your toe in. You will try it out. With the Jack of Spades, you're going to decide if this person is worthy of you or not. But with the Three of and you're going to figure out, through. It's almost like you might be worried a little bit. Is this person at my standard? Is this person at my standard? Now, moving on to the end of the month, we have the Reparenting Self, the Devil card, Two of Crystals, Angel of Bliss, Ace of Clubs, and the Three of Spades. So I feel like for you that are in a beautiful romantic bond, you are definitely taking care of yourself for the benefit of the relationship. Yes, it feels like maybe you've been spending too much time with your partner, or maybe you've been, I feel like you've been spending a lot of time with your partner and you're just needing some time to take care of you. And I feel like that's going to bring you balance. It's going to bring you peace. It's going to bring you happiness with the joy, with the Bliss card. I feel like with the Ace of Clubs, there's you're thinking a lot about your relationship, your love relationship. And there is a bit of, I feel like there could be a bit of worry about it, but I also feel like there's creativity. Maybe you're wanting to restructure things in your relationship. Maybe spend a little bit more time with friends, a little less time with your partner. Not that you don't love your partner. It's almost like you're wanting to fill your tank from another well, if you will. But I'm not saying you're cheating. I'm just saying maybe you want to spend time with your kids, or maybe you want to spend time with your friends, or spend a little bit of time, hanging out with people that you work with. Maybe, I don't know, the social distancing. But I see, and it's not taking anything away from the relationship. relationship. It's just that you need your time. You need some you time. There you go. Now, for singles, by the end of the month, reparenting self with the Devil card and the Two of Crystals. Yes, yes, yes. The Angel of Bliss, the Ace of Clubs, the Three of Spades. So I feel like by the end of the month, you're focusing a lot on you. Yeah. I feel like you're focusing a lot on you because I feel like you've been giving way too much in relationships, or even the thought of relationships with the Angel of Bliss. Maybe you're spending a lot of time daydreaming and you can't seem to get yourself out of that element of, oh, I want to love, right? I feel like with the Balance card, you're going to get some balance in regards to that. With the Angel of Bliss, you're going to start thinking differently about love in a creative manner. Maybe you're going to start putting yourself in different circles, putting yourself in different, even if you're online dating or something like that, maybe you try different websites, or websites, maybe if you're into tennis, maybe you'll try Love Connection for tennis. I don't even know if that exists, but you know what I mean, okay? All right, now, apply it to your life as it fits. Now, when we look at your bonus, you have the Gardener and the Nine of Pentacles reversed with the Page of Feathers. Yes, yes, yes. The Angel of Continuity, the Six of Spades, and the Eight of Hearts. So for those of you who are in a beautiful relationship with the Gardener, I see that you are definitely putting in work when it comes to your love. With the Nine of Diamonds, you're feeling a little bit, maybe you've been putting in too much work, and now it's kind of time to sit back and relax a little bit. With the Angel of Continuity, you're feeling like, I think I need to relax in the relationship. I just don't need to work that hard. No, with the Six of Spades, I see you stepping back, not stepping away, stepping back. And with the Eight of Hearts, letting them step forward. Yes, as you step back, they'll step forward. Now, and this is not a bad thing, this is not a negative thing, no. It's just that you've been putting in a lot of work. Maybe you've been doing the dishes every night, and maybe it's time for them. Not that big of a deal. Love is still there, right? Okay, so let's look at in regards to you guys that are not in a relationship. We have the Gardener, the Nine of Pentacles reversed, the Page of Feathers, yes, Angel of Continuity, Six of Spades, and the Eight of Hearts. So I feel like you are definitely working towards a love. Yes, you are. With the Nine of Diamonds, with the Nine of Pentacles reversed, I feel like you haven't been working hard enough for love. With the, I feel like you're trying different ways to bring love into your life, and you know what? You're going to keep doing it. You're going to keep trying and keep trying and keep trying until you find that perfect one. And because you also have the power to do so. So I send you joy, namaste, and much love sent your way.